friends. My name is Swaminathan from Woodpecker Furniture. I would like to introduce Harmonia, which has been brought to Chennai for the first time, probably from South India for the first time. Harmonia specializes in home decor, furnishings, and woodpeckers in furniture. So it's a combination of both. It's going to be unique blend of both the products. I'll request Mr. Vijayant and Manish to take over and take us through with Harmonia, the details of Harmonia and the brand of Harmonia. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, friends. It's a very proud movement for us to come and open our first showroom in South India, which is decor, furniture, and furnishing all put together on a size of around 10,000 square feet. We already have 25 showrooms, but in South India, this kind of a showroom is one of its kind. We have very high hopes, and we are very proud to be associated with Mr. Swaminathan from Woodpeckers, who's planning to open at least 4 stores in Chennai itself.
In a span of 1 year. So again, thanks to Chennai to welcome in Harmonia in Chennai. It's a nice combination with Woodpecker in Chennai with a combination of Harmonia, means with a combination of home decor and furnishing with the together with the furniture. It's a unique combination of the concept, and that is the USP of our this store. So you cannot find this kind of combination in this kind of format, never in India again.
We have an experience of approximately 20 years in home decor business. Harmonia company was formed around 4 years back, and within a span of 4 years, when the time was also very tough, we are lucky to open 25 showrooms. The stocks what you see here has been brought from 7 countries, and the major contribution is from India. Very surprisingly, India has made very good progress in home decor segment, which people have not even realized. So we have picked those products which are being exported to US, UK market, and those are being sold here in Chennai now.
And the another biggest strength of the store from today onwards, like you visit everywhere in the India for home decor, furnishing and furniture, everywhere, everything. The price which you found here, the price is the main strength of our store. The price which we put here, the same price you found in Delhi, Mumbai or all metro cities in India. So now the Chennai people get the furniture, decor, furnishing in the same price of Delhi. So even some people go out for the buying because of the price, because of the variety. So we fulfill all the things in Chennai in this store with the same price, with a huge kind of varieties.
So we have a very huge target which we have taken on ourselves. In 3 years' time, we are planning to touch a number of 100 stores in India.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
very
for your
much.
coming.